Hello everyone and welcome to More to Explore. I'm Miss Natasha and today we are going to make slingshots. Okay, so in your kit you're going to find a branch that's forked. You're going to find elastic cord and you're going to find a pom-pom pole. Now at home you'll need scissors. So go ahead and grab some scissors and let's get started. The first step is to tie your elastic cord to one side. Go ahead and do that. Now, really important, you need to double knot it. Then you're going to go ahead and tie it to the other side. And you want a little bit of slack so you can pull that pom-pom ball back. Again, you're going to want to double knot and have a little bit of slack. Tie both sides tight. Make sure they're real tight. And you're almost done. Last step will be to trim the elastic cord. So go ahead and trim both sides. And you are all done. Now I want to show you how to pull back that pom-pom ball. You're going to align the pom-pom with your elastic cord. So your elastic cord should be right behind the pom-pom ball, and you want one finger on top of the pom-pom and one finger on the bottom. And then you'll pull back and you'll release.
Did you know on a fortified hill in Scotland some 1,900 years ago, a Roman army attacked local warriors by hurling lead bullets from slings that nearly had the stopping power of a modern .44 Magnum. Ancient slingshots were deadly.